10 kilometers out from the runway, the pilot of Giant 601 will receive radio signals from 2 beacons on the ground. The first beacon emits a pair of side-by-side radio signals that overlap in the center. The second beacon emits another pair of overlapping radio signals, this time one above the other. To bring the plane into land, the pilot uses an onboard display to make sure that the aircraft is traveling within the overlapping section of both these radio signals. This way, Giant 601 should be able to land safely, even in zero visibility.